Sitting back counting double-digit thousands stacks.
Good morning, T-Wolves. I'm Harsh.
And I'm Michaela.
And this is T-Wolf TV for Wednesday, March 13th. Girls, if you're interested in playing T-Wolf soccer this fall, you don't want to miss the preseason player and parent-teacher meeting tonight at 8 p.m. in the Little Theater.
This Thursday and Friday, March 14th and 15th, come see a night of one-act plays. These short plays have been written, directed, designed, and performed all by students. Tickets are free, so come at 7 p.m. Thursday or Friday night to the auditorium to see some mysteries, comedies, dramas, and even a musical.
Auditions for drama classes next year are coming up next week. If you want to audition for the productions company class or musical theater class, swing by Miss Hansen's room 106, to sign up for a time and pick up an audition form. Auditions will be next Tuesday and Wednesday, March 19 and 20 after school. Anyone is welcome to audition, regardless of experience.
Orem Police sponsored Safe Driving Week last week here at THS. Up next, highlights of the drunk driving tricycle activity produced by T-Wolf TV's Riley Curtis.
Hey guys, we're just having the student body here. We're giving them drunk goggles and we're putting them on trikes. It's pretty fun to watch, and let's see what it's like.
We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled.
You stick out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer. You got your mind on loose. Go hard and watch the sunrise. One night to change your whole life. Off top, drop top, baby, it's a no-brainer. Put 'em up if you with me, yeah.
It was pretty good, it was really fun.
That was like super weird. Nothing was where I thought it was.
Everything's a lot wavier, and it's really hard to concentrate on one thing, and you don't really know how much you're moving. It's super hard.
It hurt my head a lot. It was super weird. Everything was like shifted to the left, and then you had to like overcorrect a lot, and it made me dizzy.
Oh man, don't drink. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you are planning to do an internship next year, get your applications to Chris Caldwell in room 140 as soon as possible so you can get the class scheduled.
Interested in joining the ballroom dance team? Ballroom dance team auditions are this afternoon at 3 p.m. in the dance room. No prior experience needed. Visit timpanogosdance.com for more info. See you today at 3 p.m. in the dance room.
Good luck to our baseball team this afternoon here at home against Wasatch and Choir at Region. For T-Wolf TV, I'm Harsh.
And I'm Michaela.
And remember, T-Wolves,
we love you all.